A very warm good morning to my lovely audience. This side Anchor Reena and you're watching Expo Media English. I'm sure you have loved the three last expos, the Paint India, the Print Pack and the Book Fair. And I'm sure you're going to love this one also. So today's expo of footwear. And I'm sure we are going to explore about the raw materials, the chemicals and the importers and the brands. So stay tuned guys, and you have to do only one thing for watching it. You have to subscribe our channel and you have to like and share. So please go through the whole video and learn about the footwears, the raw materials and the importers. So what you will give one message to your competitors, sir?
Uh, all the best.
After sales service, customer satisfaction, comfort level of other slippers, reasonable prices.
Because India is a young country and design is huge, is vast, and I'm sure this could become a profession and a business.
So yes, for coming over here, you have to do the online registration and offline registration. Both are available over here. You can get the registration passes from here, or else you can do one thing. You can go to the website and you can have the registration. So please, guys, visit because it is from 7th to 9th, and already today is 7th. So we have 2 more days, so you can explore the complete brands. So yes, guys, we have just entered in the hall number 5, and you can see the cinematics and the views. It's amazing, right? And it's making more excitement. So don't worry. I'm just going to explore lots of brands and lots of about the manufacturers and the importers and the exporters. So you have to do only one thing: stay tuned and just watch the full video. And please like, share, and subscribe to our Expo Media English. So hi everyone, I have Mr. Rahul over here from the PU Pacific. So sir, may I know what exactly your brand is and for what purpose you're here?
See, we are into manufacturing of all kinds of footwear, mostly open footwear. So, we are catering to middle class and lower middle class mostly, and now we are targeting upper middle class section of our country.
Okay.
We are here for searching new customers. So, we are into B2B kind of dealing only, and looking forward to meet some distributors.
Okay. So what was the minimum limit of dealing with the customers? I mean the shopkeepers or to the like for B2B purpose?
For a B2B kind of a person, we'll give a minimum of 500 pairs. The MOQ is 500 pairs for us.
Okay. Like in which age group of people you focus the most for the footwears?
We target mostly the age groups are 15 to 35, we can say that.
Okay.
Uh, yeah, we can say that 15 to 35, but there are some articles which we make for higher age groups as well,
But not
elder ones. Not much.
okay.
Our choice is little urban.
Okay. The last one more question I would like to ask you. What is the varieties of products you have over here?
See, we are into slippers.
Okay.
They can be your home slippers, they can be your slippers which you wear to markets, to your relatives, friends, or club wear. We can say that. Nowadays, open footwear is going into club wear as well, comfortable footwear. So most of our range is such that you won't feel pain in your legs even if you wear them for a whole day.
Okay. So, what you will give one message to your competitors, sir?
Uh, all the best.
Okay, so thank you. So, hi everyone, this is Irina. I have Mrs. Dipali with me. Hello, ma'am. How is the experience till the date?
Hi, it's been great.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, ma'am, what is the purpose of being over here at the part of expo of this footwear, basically?
Actually, I'm from Surya Mincam. It's
Okay.
yeah, we are the leading supplier of chemical and minerals. That is the main supplier of titanium dioxide, the one which is used in manufacturing of this.
Okay, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
basically in the shoe industry.
So, hi everyone. I have Mr. Ekansh with me from G Time, which is Good Times, basically. So, sir, how you are experiencing right now in the exhibition?
We are experiencing good. It's our third time we have put our stall in this, and we are getting better reviews from this. So
That's great. I just wanted to ask you which kind of products you deal with the customers and to B2B peoples.
we deal with all the kind of products with Eva slippers, Eva sandals, PU sandals, Hawaii slippers, E- um PU sandals, PU shoes. Every product from all age group from each
I mean
size.
the comfortable footwears you have on. You
Yes.
have comfortable footwears like
Yes.
sleepers,
Slippers,
shoes,
shoes, sandals,
Crocs, and
Crocs.
everything,
Yes.
right? And you have all the numbers of people. I mean the sizes.
Yes. All the sizes from
Top
small to
bottom.
top.
Okay, that's great. I think. So, what is the minimum price of your product, and what is the maximum of the any of the one product?
The minimum price start from approx 50 and it
Okay.
ranges to 200 to 50.
And how much number you deal with the people? What is the quantity you deal?
The quantity is not fixed. We depends on the customer, but they
But might be a minimum quantity, right?
like 10 to 20 cartoons,
Okay, and I mean the number, the pairs. I mean
approx 2000 to 3000 slippers.
minimum.
Minimum.
There's no 200, 300.
No.
Okay, so
Mainly
people.
we deals with wholesalers, not with the small customers
Okay,
or
okay.
retailers.
But if anybody wants to, they can contact you.
Yeah, they can contact. We can assure them how we can sell our more products.
And what
Variety.
kind of raw materials you use, by the way, on your products?
Raw material are purchased from the market only.
So you don't actually you import and you just
No
directly.
import means not our manufacturing is at Narela Industry area. We purchase raw material mainly. We manufacture half and we purchase from the market.
Okay, the last question I wanted to ask, as being a competitor and being the part of here, that what kind of products you are having right now, and what is the beneficial of taking from you instead of from any other brands? Like, if any customer wants to purchase anything from you, what will the beneficial part for them instead of purchasing from you to somebody else?
After sales service, customer satisfaction, comfort level of other slippers, reasonable prices.
Oh, that's great. But I think there are many people who are dealing with the less quantity, but you are dealing with the more quantity.
The quantity depends on the customers also and how they are experiencing. If they will be comfortable with our product, they will order more.
Okay, there's a few samples over here. Can you please explain me exactly?
This is a type of Crocs available in all sizes.
Okay.
This is a slipper.
Okay.
This is PU sandal.
Okay.
This is PU slipper.
Okay.
This is Eva slipper.
Okay. So these are the varieties which
Variety.
you're having right now. Apart from that, you have a store over there, any of the place, right?
Yeah, at
From
Narela Industry area.
okay. So definitely, I'll update you all the details and everything. Thank you so much. So yes, guys, you have just checked it out that I have explored two brands about the products and the raw materials and the footwears. I think you have loved it and you would have enjoyed about it, and you might have gained lots of details about the products, the raw materials and the chemicals. So are you excited to watch more? So please stay tuned and watch the full video. And please like, share, and subscribe to our Expo Media English. So hi everyone, this is Irina. I'm having Mr. Parth, who is a great designer, by the way. So hi sir, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Lovely to meet you.
Thanks,
and
sir.
talk to you guys.
Okay, sir, I just wanted to know what is the purpose of being over here in the Footwear Expo?
All right. So I think footwear is something, in India. I think me as a designer, I'm like now people are, learning about this profession as also because in design you have a lot of disciplines and footwear is one of the most crucial discipline. And I feel that, this is not that big show, but yes, people who are here are very well curated brands who are manufacturers and some really good designs. And yeah, I'm here to just explore.
That's great, I think. So you are a designer. So which kind of things you design mainly?
So I am a product designer. It's been 15 years, but my forte is furniture.
Okay.
But for me, design is something, I appreciate each and everything because everything is aesthetically designed. So for me, aesthetic is very important, be it footwear, be it eyewear, anything. So
Exactly.
yeah, so I have like, that, soft corner for design.
Okay. So I think you're definitely going to learn lots about the footwears over here right now, and I'm sure whatever for you are here, you will be getting it. So any one thing you want to recommend to our audience, to your customers? So what you will recommend one thing for being over the part of this footwear?
I think this is one of its kind exhibition, and I think especially for youngsters because India is a young country, and design is huge, is vast, and I'm sure this could become a profession and a business. So I suggest people to come here, have a look, talk to people because in India a lot of people are still in their comfort zone.
Okay.
They have to step out. They have to step out, explore, talk to people, and once they interact with people, you have these amazing energies flowing around. So yeah, I think I recommend all the youngsters, coming here and just explore, talk to people. It's amazing. It's a great vibe here.
Thanks. It was a great interacting with you, sir. Thanks a lot. So we have to do one thing. We have to say like, share, and subscribe together to our Expo Media English. So can we?
All right,
So
yeah.
3, 2, 1.
All right, like,
share,
share,
subscribe.
subscribe.
Thanks. It was a great interacting with you, sir. Thanks a lot. So we have to do one thing. We have to say like, share, and subscribe together to our Expo Media English. So can we?
All right,
So
yeah.
3, 2, 1.
All right, like,
share, subscribe. Thank you so much,
Thank you.
sir.
Thank you so much.
So hi everyone, this is Reena, and with me I'm having Mr. Deepak over here from the Z-Rocks. So how's the experience right now?
मैम मैं काफ़ी टाइम से 20 साल से इस फुटवेयर बिजनेस में हूँ। मैंने स्टार्टिंग एक अपर के काम से की थी। आज मेरा इतना बड़ा ब्रांड है जिसमें मैं ईवा प्रोडक्ट्स बच्चे के जन्म से लेके बड़े के तक बनाता हूँ और काफ़ी वैरायटियाँ मेरे पास है। ईवा हो गई, स्कूल शूज़ हो गया, स्पोर्ट्स शूज़ हो गया, स्लीपर्स हो गई, काफ़ी वैरायटियाँ हमारे पास हैं और ये सारी हमारी अपनी खुद की प्रोडक्ट्स हैं और खुद की मैन्युफैक्चरिंग है। हमारी फैक्ट्री नरेला के अंदर है।
Okay. Sir, what kind of product you use, by the way? What is the raw materials?
ईवा, पीयू और पीवीसी ये रॉ मटेरियल हम यूज करते हैं। टीपीआर
And any chemicals?
केमिकल से ही रॉ मटेरियल बनते हैं। कंपाउंड जो बनता है वो रॉ मटेरियल से ही बनता है।
Okay. And exactly how much time you take to like make a 1 or 2 pairs minimum?
ये मैम डेली की प्रोडक्शन होती है। ये एक पेयर बनाने के लिए ऐसा कोई फिक्स वो नहीं है कि जिससे कि इतना टाइम लगता है। डेली प्रोडक्शन हमारी 6-7 हज़ार पेयर डेली की प्रोडक्शन है मैम।
Okay, okay. So what is the minimum price you have over here and what is the maximum?
मैम मेरी मिनिमम 100 रुपये से स्टार्टिंग रेंज हो जाती है और 350 तक मेरी मैक्सिमम प्राइस है जो कि हम ट्रेडर को देते हैं। रिटेलर के कस्टमर के पास ही आइटम लगा लो 200 रुपये से स्टार्ट होकर 600-700 तक जाती है।
Sir, I just want to go with the last question that you have all the products over here. Can you please describe to our audience and the customers each product?
मैम ये मेरा स्कूल शू का प्रोडक्ट है। इसमें काफ़ी बढ़िया वैरायटी हमने लगा रखी है। कंपाउंड भी काफ़ी बढ़िया है, रेगजिन भी काफ़ी बढ़िया है। जो हमने ये इंसोल लगा रखा प्रॉपर फोम का है कि काफ़ी पहनने से काफ़ी अब बच्चों को ये लगता है कि मुलायम है, कि काफ़ी फोम, हाँ, कंफर्टेबल है। हाँ, जो भी हम
Shoes आप मुझे एक बार दिखाएंगे प्लीज।
ये मैम अपना शूज है, ये भी काफ़ी कंफर्टेबल है। इसके अंदर जो इंसोल लगा हुआ मेमोरी फोम है, पीछे फोमिंग है, वो भी काफ़ी कंफर्टेबल है। और प्रॉपर आप जब पहनोगे तो आपके पाँव में प्रॉपर फिट बैठेगा, पाँव से चिपक के आएगा। फिटिंग भी बहुत बढ़िया है इसकी।
ओके सर, मैं आपसे क्लास सवाल करना चाहूंगी कि ऐसी लाइक व्हाट इज द thing that you are selling to the customers and to your traders and to your business person and the
मैम
co-partners?
अगेन क्वेश्चन।
That let me complete it. Ki my question to you is the last question, that what is the one beneficial thing you are providing instead of any other brand?
मैम दूसरे ब्रांड से हमारा ब्रांड काफ़ी अच्छा है कि हम जो भी वैरायटी है अपना जो टोटली प्रोडक्ट हमारा इन हाउस होता है। अपर से लेके जो भी है, सोल है, सब कुछ है अपना टोटली इन हाउस होता है। काफ़ी ब्रांड बाहर से परचेज करते हैं, हमारा ऐसा कोई भी आइटम नहीं है जो हम बाहर से परचेज करते हैं। इन हाउस होने से हम अपनी क्वालिटी पे प्रॉपर ध्यान दे पाते हैं और क्वालिटी प्रॉपर तरीके से मेंटेन करके चलते हैं।
Thank you so much, sir. So hi everyone, I have Mr. Sandesh here from Raipur, Chhattisgarh, by the way. Sir, how's the experience from coming Raipur to be the part of this exhibition, and for what purpose you are here, by the way?
Actually, I do have a brand.
Okay.
The brand name is Possible.
Okay.
I was here to meet manufacturers.
Okay.
The problem is there are not many manufacturers.
Okay, okay.
I especially came from Raipur here,
Okay.
from Raipur to
Okay.
exhibit here. But the issue is there are not many manufacturers. Plus यहाँ पे एक और दिक्कत है कि स्नीकर्स मिल ही नहीं रहे हैं जैसे मुझे चाहिए। तो 300 स्टॉल्स थे, ये भी मैंने सुना था, बट आई डोंट थिंक 300 स्टॉल्स यहाँ पे है। सो नॉट अ वेरी गुड एक्सपीरियंस, बट गुड फॉर होलसेलर्स।
So hi everyone, I have Mr. Ratan over here from the Global Energy Saver. And sir, your machine and your stall is basically to save electricity, right? So what is the purpose of being over here in the footwear exhibition?
Ma'am, this is the thus I coming the my purpose is the so many people suffer from electricity bill.
Yups.
So many footwear industrial industries suffering from electricity bill because electricity bill is coming very much high there. So global electronic bringing global energy saver device. This one single phase and this one three phase for your food industries, especially for food industries.
So how kind of things it works basically that it can save your electricity?
Everybody know that thermal power manufacturing the electricity, but 40% electricity wastage in electricity wire,
Okay.
and not only external wire, so many motor using in industries, in footwear industries. There's so many copper wire in binding in inside the motor, using there, and line length is very much, and cross section area of the wire is very thin. That's why electricity not crossing properly, and wastage 40% electricity.
So what kind of technology you use basically in this?
This is the capacitor based technology. I improve the capacity of the current,
Okay.
and noise will be removed from the internal wire, and line become smooth. That is the main reason it save the electricity bill.
Okay.
This technology known as power factor technology.
Okay.
So every thing is the mention here, power factor technology.
Okay. Okay.
So I told to the product product approved by government of India also.
Oh, that's great. Let me show.
And there is no any worry. This is the complete legal. This is the complete legal, and officially I am giving you. Right now I am standing in Pragati Maidan, hall number 12A, and this is the Food Expo, 7 to 9 February.
Yes, sir.
Ji, held on in Delhi. So this is the great time. Anybody, they can come here and they can purchase. Company giving you in discount price also. Normally outside the exhibition its cost is 2,000 rupees, but right now only we have to pay 1,500.
That's great, sir. So my last question to you is that you are using already all of such things. So and you like deal with Pan India or you deal
I am
with
dealing with Pan India.
Pan
Our
India.
customer care number 8368340882. Those who are not coming here, just you contact on this number. I send there anywhere in Pan India through the courier.
So I'll do one thing. I'll mention all the details in the description, and definitely you can contact to Mr. Ratan over here from the Global Enterprises, right? So yes. So you have other machines also. Can you please show me?
Just I am going to disclose also. This is the a three-phase industrial power saver. It so this one load capacity 100 kilowatt, and this one load capacity only 15 kilowatt. 15 kilowatt.
Okay.
So I mean.
If a person is living at his home, and if
and
he's
a small
facing,
showroom, then you use this.
okay, even a person like for our day-to-day life also, can we use this?
Yeah. You
What
can
is the
also-
cost of this?
Only 1500, 1500
Okay.
and 100 kilowatt power saver device rate after discount 5,000 rupees.
Okay, and what is the main
And you
MRP
have to-
over here? 8,500.
8,500.
Okay.
But right now those who are giving the order, only you have to pay 5,000 rupees.
Discount is going on, sir.
This is easy to use.
Okay.
You can just you connect from MCB,
Okay.
and just you work will be start. Just I am giving the demo also.
Oh, sure,
This
sure,
is, just I am bringing the testing board also in Pragati Maidan exhibition. Friend, just I am going to show. This is the voltmeter. Voltage is coming proper 230, and this is the consumption. Consumption is measuring by ammeter, ampere meter.
Okay.
Short form ammeter, but proper name is the ampere meter.
Okay.
If ampere decrease, then load decrease, bill decrease. So just this one phase, and black is the neutral wire. Just I am going to start the one phase. Just I am going to show. Normally 8 ampere consuming after using the device. This one load, this one load, this one load, and if you using the this device, it remaining only 4.5 ampere. Approx going to save electricity bill 40%.
That's great. Even I can also see that it was in 7 right now. And when sir used this one, it goes to 4.5. Actually, it's very true.
Product is tested by Government of India. And this is the test report. This one the test report.
I think that's great. It's amazing thing. And I'm definitely going to purchase this all such things from you, sir, in later on. So thank you so much, sir, for interacting with Expo Media English right now. And I'll definitely convey all the details to my audience. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
So you have to do only one thing. You have to say loudly, like, share, and subscribe with me, sir. So can we say together?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. So please face the camera. 1, 2,
2,
3.
3.
Like. So you have to be louder and you have to be just higher with me. 1, 2, 3.
What?
Like, share, subscribe.
Yeah.
So you have to also say with me, right?
Yeah. Friends,
Come on.
share, subscribe, follow this channel. Thank you, friend. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for interacting with you. It was great. I just need your card. So yes, guys, you have just seen that we have explored lots of brands about footwears, the raw materials, and many more things. Even you have just got to know about the how to save electricity also. So I'm sure you have loved this expo. So do only one thing: like our channel, subscribe, and share to your loved ones. And please do comment your favorite part, that which one you love the most, and what was the most attractive part of this expo. Thank you so much.